Welcome back to another fascinating episode of Nature's Wonders. Did you know these facts about sparrows? 1. Sparrow species galore. With over 140 species worldwide, sparrows come in a stunning array of shapes, sizes, and colors. From the familiar house sparrow to the elusive golden-crowned sparrow. 2. Speedy little flyers. Despite their diminutive size, sparrows are agile flyers, darting through the air at speeds of up to 24 miles per hour, 39 kilometers per hour, effortlessly navigating dense vegetation and bustling urban landscapes. 3. Omnivorous species. Sparrows boast diverse diets, feasting on seeds, insects, fruits, and even small vertebrates, showcasing their adaptability and resilience across various ecosystems and seasons. 4. Life expectancies. While the average lifespan of a sparrow is around 4 to 5 years, some individuals defy the odds, living up to a remarkable 10 years in the wild, testament to their ability to thrive in challenging conditions. 5. Migratory marvels. Many sparrow species embark on epic migrations, traversing thousands of miles between breeding and wintering grounds, showcasing their incredible endurance and navigational prowess across continents. 6. Musical masters. Sparrows are not just birds. They're talented musicians, boasting over 30 unique calls and songs used for communication, recognition, and establishing territory, adding a symphony of sound to their natural habitats. 7. Masters of adaptation. From bustling cities to remote forests, sparrows have mastered survival in diverse environments, demonstrating their remarkable adaptability and resilience as they thrive in the face of changing landscapes. 8. Secret sparrow societies. Within their unassuming flocks lies a complex social structure, with sparrows forming tight-knit communities, communicating through subtle cues and vocalizations, showcasing their cooperative nature and teamwork. 9. Urban architects. Despite their small stature, sparrows are skilled builders, crafting intricate nests from twigs, grass, and feathers, tucked away in foliage or nestled in nooks, a testament to their ingenuity and resourcefulness. 10. Cultural symbols. Across history and cultures, sparrows have held symbolic significance, representing joy, companionship, and resilience in some traditions, while embodying simplicity and humility in others. As our journey through the world of sparrows comes to a close, remember to keep exploring the wonders of nature. Don't miss out. Subscribe, like, and share to spread the fascination.